Ever felt like your digital workspace is a chaotic desk, overflowing with papers, sticky notes, and half-finished projects? You know the feeling, right? That overwhelming sense of, where do I even start? When you log in, now imagine trying to manage multiple teams, clients, or even just different areas of your life in that same messy space. It's a recipe for disaster. And that brings us to the question that's probably buzzing in your head, especially if you're an Asana user. How many workspaces can I actually have in Asana? It's a question that gets at the heart of organization, scalability, and ultimately your sanity. Because let's face it, we're not just juggling one thing anymore. We're often managing multiple projects, teams, and even entire businesses simultaneously. And we need tools that can keep up. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick step back and understand why this question matters. Asana, at its core, is a powerful work management platform. It's designed to bring clarity and structure to your projects, whether you're a freelancer, a small team, or a large enterprise. But here's the catch. Asana uses a hierarchy. You've got organizations, teams, projects, and tasks. And nestled right at the top, you've got workspaces. So, understanding how these workspaces operate is crucial for building a system that actually works for you. Think of workspaces as distinct containers. They're like separate offices within a larger building. Each workspace has its own set of projects, teams, and members. This means you can keep different areas of your work entirely separate, preventing that dreaded cross-contamination of information. Imagine you're running a marketing agency. You might have one workspace for client projects, another for internal marketing, and perhaps a third for administrative tasks. This separation allows you to tailor the settings, permissions, and overall structure to each specific area, ensuring that everyone has access to the right information and nothing more. Or, let's say you're a freelancer. You might use one workspace for client work and another for your personal projects or side hustles. This separation helps you maintain a clear boundary between your professional and personal life, preventing those late-night work notifications from creeping into your downtime. So, back to our burning question, how many workspaces can you have? The answer, like many things in the tech world, is it depends. Specifically, it depends on your Asana plan. If you're using the free, basic version of Asana, you're limited to one organization or workspace. This means you'll have to manage all your projects and teams within that single container. While this might work for individuals or small teams with simple workflows, it can quickly become overwhelming as you scale. However, if you upgrade to a paid Asana plan, such as Premium, Business, or Enterprise, you gain the ability to create multiple workspaces. This is where the real power of Asana comes into play. With the paid plans, you can create as many workspaces as you need to accommodate your different teams, projects, or clients. There's no hard limit imposed by Asana itself. The practical limit becomes your ability to effectively manage those workspaces. But here's a crucial point. Asana's pricing is based on seats within an organization, not the number of workspaces themselves. This means you're paying for the number of people who have access to Asana, regardless of how many workspaces they're in. This is a significant advantage, as it allows you to create as many workspaces as you need without incurring additional costs. You can tailor your Asana setup to perfectly match your organizational structure, ensuring that everyone has the tools and resources they need to succeed. Now, let's talk about how you actually create these workspaces. When you upgrade to a paid plan, you'll see the option to create a new workspace within your Asana settings. You'll be prompted to give your workspace a name and invite team members. Remember, each workspace is independent. Members of one workspace won't automatically have access to another unless you explicitly invite them. This ensures that your information remains secure and organized. Here are some best practices for managing multiple workspaces. Clearly define the purpose of each workspace. Before you create a new workspace, take a moment to consider its purpose and scope. What teams will be using it? What types of projects will be managed within it? Having a clear purpose will help you structure your workspace effectively. Use consistent naming conventions. This will make it easier for team members to navigate between workspaces and find the information they need. Establish clear roles and permissions. Ensure that everyone has the appropriate level of access to the information they need. This will help prevent confusion and maintain data security. Regularly review and update your workspaces. As your organization evolves, your Asana setup should evolve with it. Regularly review your workspaces to ensure they're still meeting your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.